at that. 0.5. Ooh, chin. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Oh, we have to get ready.
Welcome back, CCA.
We are here to relay the heartbreaking news.
It is with a heavy heart that I report Season 30 CCA-TV hosts Isaac and Andy have announced their retirement.
Anyway, lucky for you that we found some replacements for them.
Us.
I'm Emma.
I'm Samir. And this is CCA-TV Season 31.
You know, Emma, I've just been feeling so lonely. No one special in my life, I tell you.
Me neither. I just wish there was a day not to be so lonely.
Like Valentine's Day? Episode 3 teaser.
No, like a day to interact with my community.
Like a
Community Day?
Community Day is basically a day for students to have fun. The days for Community Day are Junior Day is on February 26th and Senior Day is on February 25th. So the way that you sign up is going to be through the CCA Pals website, which is also linked on our Instagram. Students who sign up do get a excused absence and they also get lunch provided. Students should sign up for Community Day because it's a really fun way to A, get out of class, who doesn't love that, and B, like I said, get to know your peers in a different way and have fun.
I'm Yukina, grade 11. I'm from Japan.
My name is Ichika, grade 8. I'm from Japan.
Oh, it's great. This is, I think, our 4th year coming to CCA.
日本とやっぱり違ってフレンドリー。何でも助けてくれるし、気軽に声もかけてくれるので、とても助かりました。
お話をしたり、あとは一緒にお昼を食べてみたりしました。はい、とっても楽しかったです。
It started more than 20 years ago, and it's been great. We've normally brought 4 students. It's the chance to them to get out, see the world.
体験、これといって特にはないですけど、その日々の生活が一番楽しく過ごせたというのが一番心に残っています。
하나만 선택할 수 있습니다. 방 아니면 arts host.
What? 팀부터. I'm Brooklyn. I'm Sophia. And this is Art!
Freeze! I've done art before! Freeze! This is red light, green light. If you move while she's turned around, you have to make a film in 48 hours.
Cynthia, there's a bee on you. It knows you're an arts host.
I moved. Guess I have to make a film in 48 hours.
music. Kind of reminds me of the instrumental conservatory.
Yeah, I bet they'll play similar music on their concert happening February 10th to February 13th.
2 명.
Quick, over here!
This was arts.
Wow, look at all the radiant stars.
Yeah, especially like that giant big one in the middle of the sky. But to be honest, I like the moon better.
Wait, isn't Lunar New Year coming up?
Oh yeah, I think it's the year of the snake. I was born the year of the dog.
Okay, and I was born the year of the rat. You don't see me talking about it. Anyway, isn't there something we can do?
Oh yeah, isn't there a festival at school?
Oh yeah, let's check it out.
My favorite part about Lunar New Year is getting together with my friends and my family.
My favorite part of Lunar New Year is really the community and the family. This is the one time of year where, our families get together and we can celebrate.
So what was special about last week's festival is that it was the first time we had multiple cultural clubs coming from all over campus to connect over Lunar New Year. So for example, I reached out to Japanese National Honor Society, the Vietnamese Student Association, and the Taiwanese Student Association to collaborate on this event. So they were all there and we had a bunch of cultures showing off what they do for Lunar New Year.
I have been very fortunate to have incredible support from enthusiastic parent volunteers and dedicated CCA staff. Most importantly, our talented students.
One of the easiest ways to get involved is just to join our club, Chinese American Student Association. Whether you're Chinese or not, you should definitely join. We have food, we teach about certain traditions, and you can also join the other clubs that were involved, JNHS, VSA, TSA.
The yearbook is entirely made from scratch. All the pages, the cover, everything comes to us completely blank. We are making the pages, we're taking the pictures, we're writing, we're picking the colors and the fonts and everything. So it's 100% student run and student made.
Students can expect a very bold and funky yearbook. The editor-in-chief shows some very fun and bright and bold colors this year and shapes that are all throughout the whole yearbook.
By purchasing a yearbook, you are helping to keep the yearbook program funded and continuing, because it is the only way that we get back the funds that we put into creating the yearbook.
Wow, this was a pretty cool episode, Samir.
Yeah, I'm so glad we replaced Isaac and Andy.
Yeah, I mean, we got to see Community Day and
Lunar New Year celebrations and
so many more redonkulous activities at the school.
Yeah. I'm not gonna get used to this place.
Me too. Well, we'll see you next week.
Stay expendable, CCA.